Hello students, welcome to my channel Bioscience Guide. Today the topic is fertilization in frog. The fertilization is the process of fusion of male and female gametes to form zygote. The process of fertilization is external in frog. It takes place in water or aquatic medium. The process of fertilization completes within a few minutes after the release of eggs and sperm in water. The process of fertilization occurs in the following phases: the formation of reception cone, the formation of fertilization membrane, the maturation of ovum, and the fusion of gametes. The formation of reception cone is the first phase of fertilization. In the given diagram, the ovum, which is spherical in shape and it is covered by two thin vitelline membranes. The ovum is divided into upper and lower region. The upper half is pigmented, is called animal hemisphere, and the lower half is non-pigmented with yolk, called vegetal hemisphere. The center of the animal hemisphere is called animal pole, and the center of the vegetal hemisphere is called vegetal pole. At the animal pole, there is a formation of a small protuberance or outgrowth called cone of reception. The small protuberance, which is at the animal pole of ovum, is the cone of reception. Now the sperm are mobile and come in contact with the cone of reception. The sperm consists acrosome at its head region that releases proteolytic enzyme called lysine, which dissolve the membrane of ovum. With the entry of sperm into the ovum, the cone of reception is withdrawn. The second phase of fertilization is the formation of fertilization membrane. Sperm enter into the ovum through the wall and it releases its tail region outside, and head and middle piece reach inside the ovum. As the sperm penetrates the membrane of the ovum, it releases some fluid which is deposited in between vitelline and plasma membrane. It causes the vitelline membrane becomes thick, called fertilization membrane. The fertilization membrane prevents the other sperm to penetrate the ovum. It ensures only one sperm into the ovum, called monospermy. The maturation of ovum, which is the third phase of fertilization, in which the second maturation occurs of the ovum with the entry of the sperm. The secondary oocyte undergoes second maturation division to form a matured ovum and a second polar body. Now, the matured ovum is called female pronucleus. The fourth phase of fertilization is called fusion of gametes. Now, the sperm nucleus is swelling up and it assumes a vesicular shape. Now, it is called male pronucleus. The male pronucleus, which comes in contact with female pronucleus and fuse together to form a diploid zygote nucleus. The fusion of male and female pronuclei to form diploid zygote nucleus is called amphimixis. During fusion, the nuclear membrane of both the nuclei dissolve and chromosome come close together and they lie at the middle and they are attached by spindle fiber of the centriole. The centriole, which divides into two and move apart in opposite direction. Now it is ready for the first division or cleavage of zygote. The significance of fertilization. The process of fertilization consists the following significance or importances. The fusion of haploid nuclei of two gametes to form diploid zygote, in which the diploid number of chromosomes in a cell is established. The fusion which stimulates the ovum for further division. A sperm that introduces centriole inside the ovum for cleavage. The formation of new offsprings as a result of fertilization, and it helps in transmit of hereditary character into the next generation. Thank you for watching.